when I think about how does governance actually lead to innovation, historically, there's three things that are required for a new technology to thrive. So the technology has to be capable, the society has to be willing, and the regulatory environment has to be conducive. If we think about something like drone delivery, so we know that the technology is capable. We know that is society willing? Do you really want to have your pizza delivered to your front door by a drone? I don't know about you, but I'm not sure that the toppings would still be on the pizza by the time they got to the house. Yeah. So it's arguable whether society is willing. And then you start to think about the regulatory environment. Well, does the FAA actually regulate something like drones that are only, that are so close to the ground? What happens with privacy when drones are leveraged? And what happens with the data that comes off of those drones? So what if drones are flying all over and taking pictures? So when we think about the regulatory environment and the limitations that could be imposed, what are some of the creative things that could come out of that? So if a drone would not be allowed to do X, Y, and Z, what does that do for designers, for problem solvers? It allows them to place some parameters around what they're working on and say, oh, we can't do that, but we could do this.